a Unity tip. Another tip I want to tell y'all. Okay, I know sometime after I make earrings, I put the backs on it. You make sure you tell all your customers or anybody that wear the handmade to make sure they wear their back, especially if you're using these hooks. But I noticed over the years, just storing them, don't put the backs on because sometimes they start yellowing. And let me show you. I noticed when I go over my designs that got backs on them, they're yellow. You see it a little bit on here. But you see that after a while? So the best thing to do not put these on. You see I know they're different, but you can tell the difference because this was a DIY. See the difference? After a while, this right here start yellowing. Yeah, oh, you can see it much better in my hand. Just keep this stored until it's gonna get ready to ship out. That's just a little tip, y'all. So I have a habit after I create the earring, I would literally just have a habit of putting the backs on, so when they get ready to ship out, they'd already be on there. But I noticed over the years when I look back at pairs that I done had for a while, that right there will start yellowing. And if you can find these in BPA free, that'll be really, really good. That's just a quick little tip, just a Unity tip, and hopefully that can help y'all out. So long.